In a lush, green meadow, there lived 4 oxen, strong, brave, and inseparable. Their days were filled with grazing on fresh grass, basking under the warm sun, and enjoying the gentle breeze. The meadow was their safe haven, and the oxen had learned to rely on each other for protection. They often joked, "Together, nothing can harm us." And truly, for many seasons, they lived in peace. One hot summer afternoon, a fierce lion prowled near the meadow. His eyes glimmered with hunger as he watched the 4 oxen. Day after day, he tried to sneak close, but each time, the oxen stood together in a perfect circle, horns outward, ready to face any attack. The lion was frustrated. "How can I take even one of them if they stay united?" he growled. The oxen laughed, proud of their strength. "No lion can touch us when we are together," said the eldest ox. Seasons changed, and the oxen began to feel comfortable and overconfident. They argued over grazing spots and playtime. One ox suggested, "Let's graze closer to the river today, it's sweeter there." Another disagreed, wanting the high meadow. Little by little, their unity began to weaken, though none admitted it openly. The lion, watching from afar, sensed an opportunity. One morning, the oxen decided to split for grazing, 2 near the river and 2 in the high meadow. For the first time, the lion could attack without facing all 4 together. He charged silently toward the pair by the river. Despite their strength, facing the lion alone was no match. The lion struck with cunning precision, and the first ox fell. The surviving oxes were shocked. They had underestimated the danger of being apart. The lion did not attack the others immediately. Instead, he waited patiently, studying their movements. The remaining oxen, now nervous, attempted to regroup, but their fear made them scatter. "You must stay together," warned the second eldest ox. "Only then can we survive." But fear and panic spread, weakening their bond further. The lion used trickery and timing, striking 1 ox at a time. One by one, the remaining oxen were defeated. By the time the meadow fell silent, the lion had claimed victory. The once strong oxen had been defeated not by strength alone, but by division. The story of the 4 oxen teaches a timeless lesson. Unity is strength. Divide and conquer is real. Alone, even the strongest can fall. Many animals in the forest reflected on the tale. They realized that teamwork and cooperation are more powerful than individual might. Even the strongest need allies, and loyalty and trust are key to survival. The story spread across the land as a warning and a guide. Stand together in challenges. Don't let small disagreements weaken your unity. Respect and protect the bond you have with those who rely on you.